EduVision 2026, the first leadership conclave by Diksha Vedantu, concluded in Bangalore with a strong focus on shaping the future of K-12 education in the AI era. The event brought together over 100 school principals and academic leaders, 15 expert speakers, and featured 12 roundtable discussions. The highlight was the adoption of the EduVision Conclave Resolution, a 10-point action plan aimed at transforming school education. The resolutions focus on responsible AI integration in classrooms, assessment reforms, future skills like creativity and critical thinking, teacher empowerment, student well-being, personalized learning, stronger parent partnerships, and redefining school success beyond exam results. Speaking at the conclave, Diksha Vedantu founder Dr. Sridhar Ji said that the future of education is not just about knowing the right answers, but about developing students who can think, question, and innovate. The resolutions will now be implemented across participating schools, with Diksha Vedantu planning to review progress and expand EduVision into an annual national platform. This is a significant step towards preparing India's students for the future of learning.
The world is rapidly changing. AI is coming and disrupting all fields of life. And AI is going to change the workspace 15, 20 years from now. So what we teach our children, what skills we empower our children today is very critical to make sure they are successful and relevant when they come out into the workspace. EduVision 2026 is basically a collection, a conclave of educators, principals, academicians to debate on this topic, to put out a white paper that we can share with the Ministry of Human Resources Development, with the Education Department, to start the conversation and dialogue as to the direction in which India's education system should evolve to serve our children and serve our nation.
So the primary question that is running in every parent's mind, every educator's mind, every child's mind now is, what is going to be the future? And what relevance does the existing education system have in future? Will I be future ready? Will I have jobs? Can it continue the same way that it is done? So it is very important that we as educators come together, understand what is happening, because we have this experience, rich experience of what is happening currently in the education system. We know what the parents and children are going through. If the educators come together and brainstorm, and then they are able to put out a vision and say that this is what is the need of the hour, definitely the impact is going to be there, and it will be much more reassuring for parents and for the children, saying that yes, I have a future, even if AI is going to come and disrupt many things in life.
Okay, the EduVision 2026 is a vision of education of India. So we, the educators of India, are looking to take Indian education global. I would like to congratulate the EduVision team for looking into integrating AI into today's classrooms for the students throughout India and making sure that the students are competitive. The Indian students are competitive in the global level. So that's very important. Today's event was all about collaboration of all the educators around Karnataka. We had a very good discussion with the fellow educators about how education and AI has to work hand in hand to give the better future for the students of our country. And definitely the students of our country are very smart. They just need certain backup and support. So today, EduVision team are doing a wonderful job in bringing this support for the students to make sure that they reach globally. And they are visioning education to be the strongest weapon to lead the nation. And definitely with this vision, our Indian students are going to conquer the world with a great education system, what they're providing. On that note, thank you once again for inviting me as a guest speaker today for the EduVision 2026. I'm representing New Baldwin Group of Institution as a Managing Director for the New Baldwin International Schools and College. Thank you.
I'm Abhinav Srivastava from Vedantu Innovations Private Limited as a Vice President working there for a quite long time. So in this EduVision event today, we have had a very fruitful discussion on AI in schools, how the schools are leading with AI, how the schools are embracing AI, And I'm very happy to see all the principals and all the heads of the schools having the vision not only to educate students about AI or enable them, but to make them creators of AI. The future of the country lies when we become the creators of the AI and we lead in the technologies that are going to come in the future as a creator of it, not just merely a user of it. So I am extremely happy to see how our education scape is evolving with the help of AI and how the lives of teachers, school administration, students, all of it is changing with the help of AI.
10ನೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುವಂಥ ಒಬ್ಬ ಹುಡುಗ ಇನ್ನು 10 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಅವನು ಕೆಲಸ ಜಾಬ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ. ಅಂಥದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಜಾಬ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಮಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಪ್ರೆಡಿಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಭಾಳ ಕಷ್ಟ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಮರ್ಥ್ಯದ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಸಂಗ್ರಹ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕಲಿಯೋದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಯೋಜನ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ಈಗ AI ಆಗಲಿ, ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಕೈಲೂ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅವರ ಸಾಮರ್ಥ್ಯಗಳು ಹೇಗೆ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ವಿಧಾನಗಳು ಯಾವುದು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಅದರ ಕಡೆ ಗಮನ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಮುಂದೆ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ ನನಗೆ. ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಟು ವರ್ಕ್ ವಿತ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಈಗ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ರೂಮಲ್ಲಿ 40 ಜನ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರು ಒಂದೊಂದು ಥರ ಕಲಿತಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮದು ಈಗ ಅಸೆಂಬ್ಲಿ ಲೈನ್ ಆಫ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಂದರೆ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಟೀಚರು ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, 40 ಜನನೂ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಕಲಿಬೇಕು. ಯಾರೆಷ್ಟು ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರದ್ದು ಕಂಡುಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ನಾವು ಏನು AI ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವೆರಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಫುಲ್ ಟು ಪರ್ಸ್ನಲೈಸ್. ಕೆಲವರು ಬೇಗನೆ ಕಲಿಬೋದು, ಕೆಲವರು ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಕಲಿಬೋದು. ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರು ಕಲಿಯೋ ವಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಅನುಗುಣವಾಗಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಅವರ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಜರ್ನಿಯನ್ನು ಎನೇಬಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. AI ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಅ ಬಿಗ್ ಎನೇಬ್ಲರ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟು ಪರ್ಸ್ನಲೈಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಅಚೀವ್ ದೇರ್ ಫುಲ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ.
Good afternoon. I am Mrs. Chumkinath, Principal Air Force School, AST. Nice to meet you all over here. We are enjoying the session in EduVision and hoping to get a lot of learning from each other as well as from the other resource persons who are conducting the sessions.
I am Bharti Tanveer, Kamal School. I'm the academic director in the school, and it's a wonderful session organized. We had a good learning today, and we are also able to see how to go forward, because although being in this profession, there is always a doubt about how the future is going to unfold. So we are getting some clarity on that aspect. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I'm Pinky Singh, Principal of Royal Concord International School, Kalyan Nagar branch. The title of this event says all, EduVision. Because if you are a leader, there should be vision. And vision with the education clubs it all. So I feel that today's panel discussions were very enriching. So I am going with a lot of learning, because as passionate educators, we need to, because we have to keep the future, the citizens of the country future ready. And for that you need to have passion, you have to have the dedication, you have to have the commitment. And the leaders today who came across these panel discussions and many deliberations and the keynote speakers, they all talked about the 4 shifts which is happening. So when these shifts are happening, the transformation which is happening, because 21st century learners need something new. That can be, of course, critical thinking and a competency-based learning. So if we are moving from a rote learning to a competency-based learning, the educators have to be visionary. So EduVision 2026 is something which is very close to my heart, there is a lot of learning. And thank you so much to the Diksha and the Vedantu team. Thank you so much.
Yeah, I'm Sham from Director of MBMA. We are into performing arts, India's first career-driven performing arts academy. And I think it was an amazing event by Diksha Vedantu, and to bring all educators from Bangalore at one stage, discuss about topics which they have and issues that they're facing problems every day, and to come up with solution. The round table especially introduced is very good. And Diksha themselves are doing some amazing work led by Sridhar sir and Lalit ma'am. And now with this initiative, they are the torch bearers and leading the schools into that direction. I wish EduVision and I wish them all the best. And this is something which should have become more bigger and happen every year in maybe multiple cities. We need it everywhere.